Welcome back to Garden of Treats. Today we are going to talk all about chickpeas. This is our black garbanzo bean plant. So as you can see, it's really hot here in San Antonio, and so it's starting to get dried out, which is good because we have all of these chickpeas on here, and we like to get our chickpeas when they are dried, so we cook them and enjoy them that way. Some people eat fresh chickpeas right out of the pods here in the green, but we want to get them when they are like this, dried out, and we can use them to plant more plants in the future, and also just to soak them, boil them, and cook them, make hummus and all kinds of good things. We love chickpeas. This is our protein source in our family, so we will definitely be planting more of these. So I want to show you how we harvest the chickpeas. So we take a pod like this. This is what a pod looks like. And then we break the pod open. And inside we'll find a chickpea. So this one had 2 chickpeas, and it looked like it was trying to go with 3. Usually there's about 1 or 2 in a pod. And so these are our black garbanzo beans. Look how beautiful. They're so beautiful. And so what you can do is you save these, and you can save these for as long as you want because they're dried out. And once you're ready to eat them, you soak them overnight, and then you cook them. And you can make hummus, you can make chickpea noodle soup, any recipe that calls for chickpeas. I pretty much put chickpeas in everything because they're very high in protein, and this is our protein source since we don't eat any meat or any animal products. We eat chickpeas. You can also save these dried out chickpeas to replant for the next year. So we will definitely be saving some of these, probably save about 10 for plants next year.